Okay.
All right, go ahead.
My name is Eric Dawson. I'm going to be doing the Anvil Challenge for Road Record Breakers.
Wait, hold on. Let me get that again a little bit. Let's see it. Okay. Hold that for a second so you can see. Yeah. Okay.
Two and a half kilo. 10 kilo. 25.
Good. Perfect.